let's get started. Okay, so this is a demo of particular ERP systems for local businesses, clothing business. Okay, so let me पिछले वीडियो में हमने ये particular demo just features दिखाने के लिए कैसे ERP solutions बनती है. So all together I wanted to demonstrate for the businesses who wanted to run a clothing business and who wanted to use this particular system, who like everyone is using day-to-day activities, but they are not using a system. So you can use this particular software and you can use as a system so that you can track all together like supplier, purchase order, then finding it out, everything, each and everything here. So it will be very easy to find it out. And this video will help you out to understand a lot more that thing. So I'm just taking our demo credentials here and I'll just show you the features. Okay, I will be not showing you which is not helpful for you. Correct. So let me get back here and make you explain all those things here. Okay, so let's get down to here. So let's say I'm just logging to this particular system. And here, one thing I wanted to say, this is very good for a clothing business. So this is a trial user I have created and I'm just showing it to you. Okay, so how this thing is happening here. Okay, so there is a setup wizard. Whenever you create a trial account, you can just try to get into the setup wizard and you will be trying to set up this particular business. Okay, I already set it up. You have to do step by step here. Okay, so 6 steps are the total altogether. You can do that as well. And I just told you like business setup, how this thing works, and this is how the business setup works. All right, so these are the details. This is not a genuine thing. This is just a demo user. So how you can get started about it, I'm just showing it to you the demo. All right, so you can just check the supplier as well. Supplier, you can add it. So take a step by step flow. I have created it. Let me know in the comment section, folks, how these things will be helping you as a system. If you are a local clothing business owner and any kind of a business owner, if we have everything in a unified platform, how does this sounds for you as a business owner as well as a founder or as a CEO? Think about it. Okay, let me know in the comment section, folks, if you have any idea for building this particular software or anything. You can DM me if you wanted to connect with me to build such software. We can connect and discuss this requirement as well. Okay, so let me show you the workflow here before going to demonstrating all those things. And here, see, there is a supplier altogether. Then you create a purchase order. You will categorize this, right? So if you just see, like you will get totally glance over the overview. What are the things, how the business works here? That is what the business workflow will look like. Okay, so that is altogether the same thing that I was going through. Okay, so and I found that this workflow for any business owners, folks, for any business owners, this will help you out. Okay, and it will give you what are the things will happen in a system altogether. All right, so there is a supplier altogether and there is a categories altogether. You can connect with me if you have any things, any ideas to build this particular software as well. So you can DM as well. Okay, so here is a category management. You can add a particular category. You can add a subcategories and all those things. Okay, let's suppose Kana, you have a subcategory called Pana, right? So let's suppose I have created a subcategory here. So order is one thing. Okay, so 0 if I wanted to do is like in the Kana, there is another subcategory 0, 1, 2, 3, like that you can put it out altogether. So it's very straightforward, folks. It is nothing complicated here. Then you created the purchase order. Let's suppose you haven't added a supplier here, right? So you just go over here, add purchase order. Okay, so you can just select a supplier. Now it is Anna. Okay, so if you wanted to add a supplier, you can add it here as well. Okay, there are the flexibilities I have given. If you wanted to have a custom PO number, purchase order number also, you can do that. Otherwise, it will create a random purchase order as well. Alright, so here this is a thing and I have created a category called Kana Pana. You can have a fabric particular altogether and you can have a percentage fixed amount as well for that particular supplier as well. Okay, so this is a very critical thing and you wanted a transport details as well and all the things like charges. Whenever you take particular things, they will be going to charge you for that as well. So everything is in altogether in one thing. If you wanted to add a product, you can add it here as well. Product 1, product 2, product 3, so on. You can do that as well. Okay, so this is all about the purchase order, folks. And let me introduce with the inventory part. Let me explain you the inventory part here. And this is what the thing is, stock sold, how everything will look like. And there is a bulk stock as well, where you can update the quantity, you can set the stock, you can like update the stock, all those things basically. And you can add item here as well. Let's suppose you wanted to export an Excel, you can export it as well. So there are very particular things for modules. You need to have an export functionality here, folks. So this is all together, folks, now. And customers part, you can think about this. And for the customer part, I can add new customers as well. So let's suppose I wanted to create a sale here, right? So how you can do that? You can do that using this particular sale tab. Right in the sidebar, sale is there. If you wanted to record a new sale, you can have it here. You can get the bill generated over here. If you have a first customer, then you can get result as well. Okay. If it is a second customer, you can do the changes here. Okay. So there is a flexibility also is there. And let's suppose depending upon the payment mode that customer has paid to you, you can just change the status here all right. Okay. So here, this is what the thing is. Let's suppose you wanted to have a capture image functionality to be added or kind of a barcode, POS, point on sale kind of a thing you wanted to add. You can add it here. And we can have like very complex functionalities we can think of. But right now, basic functionalities like any local businesses will be having is the same thing. Okay. So if you guys have any kind of complex software you wanted to getting built out together, you can do that as well. So whatever the things we have created a sale in an invoice, it will be there. Okay. So let me know in the comment section, folks, how do you think this particular software, it might be for you amazing. So let's suppose if I wanted to get into the new view, see, it will be open here. And this is a company name. This is a user, party name, and this is a phone number. And this is all together. I have created a party name dirt, right? So these are the things is having here basically. So I have created certainly like that. Okay. So don't worry about it. Tanna Panna is something like business name that mobile number will come all together. So if you wanted to see the customer's name, so you can search it as well here, right? There's only one kind of a customer. How it will be very hard to explain you those things. So okay, so you can add a customer like that, this as well. So this is overall flow, folks. Like overall, any kind of a business like this is a very critical thing that any business owner and any founder wanted to have a complete view, unified view. This is what you can do that as well. So have a great day and happy learning and keep exploring. This is what the video is all about. And you can, if you like this particular demo, please put into the comment section what part do you think that you wanted to discuss. You can otherwise you can connect with me over a LinkedIn or over a WhatsApp. I can give it in the DM. So just DM me and connect with me.